Every year, in about September, I start to get the yearn for winter. I start to get tired of too many people in the mountains. I get tired of the heat. I get tired of the bugs. And believe it or not, I actually get tired of it staying light so late. I miss being nice and cozy in my 4Runner while it's 10 degrees outside. I miss the bitter cold on my face while enjoying coffee in the morning. I love the solitude that winter brings me when I camp, the complete sense of isolation. I love standing in the cold while gazing upon the snow-covered landscape. I love the sound of snow crunching under my feet as I walk. I get a different kind of mental rejuvenation in the winter. It's just not the same at any other time of year. I can get deeper into the thoughts in my head. The cold cleanses my body and mind. Bring on winter.